it's nice. It's big. It's real big. Holy moly. That's a beaut. That's all of 8.
Oh, yeah.
Can you get a picture, Kyle? Thanks for holding my fish, bud.
Yeah, hey.
This hole was my nemesis. Last 2 nice ones. I couldn't leave without. I'm gonna let him go, but I'm gonna pop this up. Ooh, you got those needle nose on you, Brian? I just lemon slushy. You're gonna be fucking fine. It's warm enough. Don't gotta worry about their eyeballs freezing or anything. We just have a couple pictures of me, Kyle. I'm gonna release them though. That's a nice stroke.
Oh, fuck yeah.
24 feet of water.
Ooh.
Yep.
Yeah.
Look. It's a nice trout. Look at big old dorsal fins on this guy. Bye bye.
Nice.
Get your camera, Kyle. Oh, this is gonna be real big, isn't it?
I don't know yet. He feels nice.
Just went on a face melt run.
Stroked up.
Stroked up.
I wish I would have used that in the last one. Dude,
This is a nice one.
It's got some weight.
Did it come up and just hammer it, or did you have to coax him? A little bit.
There was no
No.
Dude, on this lake, I never coax a fish. Ever.
I was way above him and I just saw, I've had bait around me all day. And then all of a sudden I just see this giant red bar. I just dropped it down to him and then I stroked him.
What are you, ripping rapping? Oh, dude, this is a nice one. Is your drag set pretty loose? Or is that, what?
It's set pretty good.
Nice, dude. Is that mono? No, I thought it was nice.
That's another blood. Had a little fray in my line. I didn't feel like respooling.
What's a strong blood knot?
Seems like it's hot.
I don't think he's quite done yet.
No, I think when he's gonna see the hole.
Yeah, mono in the ice. Mono.
Your head there.
I know, and so mono.
Yeah, he's got to be real close.
Ooh, I just had a steal. That's big, I think. We're talking big. Oh yeah, it's a nice. Probably 10-ish. Let me try to get Pierce head. Almost there. Ooh, that's solid 10.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice work, man. Here, grab him from me. You need a nice picture with this bad boy. Are you in this good? Nice, dude. Look at that one I caught was so much darker than that one. That's solid 10, 12.
Medusa again, huh?
Do you want me to get some pictures, Byron?
Yeah.
You want me to just take them on my phone? I'll send
That's
them to
fine.
you. No, Kyle's phone. He's even got a little airplane on that jig head.
Yeah, a little whistler.
He's been holding out on us.
Yeah, that was his new addition this trip. I noticed that a couple days ago.
You didn't tell me you've been holding out on me too.
Yeah.
There you go. Yeah, hell yeah, that's a nice truck. Got a rapid fire.
You can always be selective.
Work, dude. He's a little fatty too.
wants.
You just gotta breathe, man. You just gotta breathe.
Give the old shove down.
Gone?
God. Nice, man.
Fucking right.
Hooked up. Nice one. Oh yeah. Another nice one. Hold them up so I can catch one. Yeah, that's a nice shot. Probably 5. 4 or 5.